Alright, in this video, we're going to talk about the Banish warranty process, if it's really worth it, if the warranty is just used to sell suppressors, or if they actually honor their warranties. So, I had three problems with three different suppressors. With the Banish 30 Gold, I had an end cap strike. If I still have the old photos, I'll put them up on the screen somewhere so we could see them. But I had an end cap strike on the Banish 30 Gold, along with a couple of the baffles. Then on the Banish 30, I also had a couple baffle issues. So on the baffle, again, if I have pictures, I'll put it up. But they have these little lips so they can lock in place so they don't rotate around. And on one of the lips, it was completely worn out. So I don't know what happened or what caused that. So I sent that one in. That was a Banish 30. And then on the Banish 45, which I use on my Glocks, I might have shot one box of ammo through it on a range day, and the suppressor ended up getting stuck, not on the Glock, but the end cap where the threads are that screw onto the barrel. I couldn't get the end cap off of the suppressor to clean out that rear spring, so I had to use a pipe wrench and a vise to get them apart so that I can clean them, and it just kind of messed up some of the finish on the suppressor. That's it. Nothing else was wrong, and they still accepted that warranty request. So we're gonna open these up and see what's going on. See if anything was fixed or how they look. Let's see what one this is. So this looks like the Banish 30. Okay, so off camera, so I don't offend YouTube. I'm gonna open this up and check out the baffles and see what's going on. All right, so these are the baffles. These look brand new. So it looks like they just went ahead and replaced all my baffles for me in the Banish 30. So that's the one where I had a couple lip issues, a couple minor strikes. I don't know if you could see the lip, but it's this thing here. One of my baffles, it was completely worn down, so I couldn't, swap the rotation out. That one always had to be on the end because nothing could lip onto it. So Banish 30, all new baffles. That's that's a pretty awesome warranty request. So let's check out the next one. So it looks like this one is the Banish 45. I'm pretty sure this is how I sent it, so it doesn't look like they actually opened this up and checked this piece out at all. I doubt they would put it in a Ziploc baggie like I did. So all this is an extension. So if you want to have your Banish 45 run a little quieter, you could do that, throwing that on the end. So it looks like they didn't service this section of the suppressor. You could see there's still some of that finish damage. They did replace this part, which had the most damage. Like I said, if I have pictures, I'll throw those up. But that's where the vise was, so it looked pretty rough. But looks like they did at least 50% of what I asked them. Like I said, this isn't functional. It's just some cosmetic stuff, so I'm happy with it. So this one is the Banish 30 Gold. So this is the one where the end cap had an actual hole in it. So just looking at it, it already looks repaired. We'll open it up and look at the baffles and see what they did on the inside. All right, here's the baffles. Just so YouTube knows, I didn't show how to take it apart on camera. I'm just showing you a piece. I'm not showing how to assemble, disassemble, put together, take apart, modify, nothing like that. I'm just showing you the actual product. So this is what's inside. And you can see here, these are all brand new baffles. So got all new internals for the Banish 30 Gold and the Banish 30. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the whole warranty process with Banish. They honor their warranties. I got all new internals for the Banish 30, all new internals for the Banish 30 Gold. On the Banish 45, they fixed half of the issue. It was only cosmetic, so if you're looking for a suppressor, I definitely recommend you check out Silencer Central and grab one of the Banish suppressors. Not only are they self-serviceable, but they actually honor their warranties. I mean, we've all been there before with a company trying to get them to actually do what they said they were going to do, and they were trying to take your money. Banish does that, so I'm super happy with that. Check them out if you guys need a POC at Silencer Central. I got a sales guy's phone number. He'd be glad to take your business, I'm sure. So you could just message me on Instagram or TikTok, wherever platform you could actually, have direct communications with me. I don't want to put his phone number in the comments somewhere on YouTube. I don't know if he'd be all right with that, but I'm sure he wouldn't mind if I gave it out to a couple of you guys who are actually interested and, didn't post it online. But these are the Banish suppressors. Again, that was the Banish 30 gold, Banish 30, and the Banish 45. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope that gives you a little more confidence when you're out there searching for a suppressor to pick up. I definitely recommend the Banish series. So check you guys out. I'll see you later.